What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. Let's go. What is happening, guys? Here we go. We're gonna unbox this fan. I got this today. Let's see here. We got the box. I'll show you. And I heard a lot of great reviews in this fan. It's fairly cheap. I think it was like 60 bucks for this fan. It doesn't come with the remote, it says, but it has a timer. It also moves side to side. It's a bunch of buttons up top, but yeah, it's great. I don't know how I'm gonna do this unboxing really. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna use this butter knife to cut it open, but it's such a big unboxing, I haven't done something like this before, but it's gonna be fun. So join me in this journey of unboxing this thing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and comment below how I could improve here. Here's the brochure. You don't need that, throw that away. Let me just open this up. Let's get this cord out of the way. Take this out. Probably throw that away. Yeah, this is probably the base. Let's put that on the side. And yep, make sure you like the video. Here we go. Let's pull this thing out. This whole thing is so big, it's hard to unbox it, but I had some help, so it'll be a little bit easier. I don't have my normal setup, but this is nice. They also have this cardboard just to protect it from scratches and while it's shipping and handling. Yeah, this is nice. Put that on the side. There's more cardboard in here. I don't know how I'm gonna get that way down there. Here we go. Aha, this is the other side of the base. Let's put that on the side as well. We probably don't need this box. Just throw that on the side. Let me just set up my stuff here. Here we go. I'm probably gonna be doing a lot of unboxing of these kitchen stuff or appliances for the house. And yeah, let's unravel all these pieces here. I'll try to get this off, but it's taped right on the plastic. I don't know how they do that, but yeah, whatever makes it harder, I guess. Just put that on the side. Let's take out all the plastic for these things and throw that on the side as well. Let me just fast forward now. Now once you have this all unraveled like this, you take the screws. You will need a screwdriver. I have a multi-bit here, but this one is a Phillips drive anyway. Now we're just gonna go through the whole Lego part of this thing. It's fairly easy. Don't forget to route your cable because it has to go out of the base. And the one thing that I struggled on while I was trying to put it together was the cable. But aside from that, it's not too bad. Anyone should be able to do this. I didn't even have to read the instructions really. You can look back to this, slow it down if you want to, if you really struggled on installing. At least you can look back to this video, share it to your friends if they are struggling on installing it or building it as well. But for the most part, it's really easy. Anyone can do it. You might want to unravel this part right here as well. And then this part, you just want to straighten it out and then it'll go through each piece right here. Let me just fast forward now. As you can see here, we're just putting it together like this. Kind of snap it on like that. The holes will just line up. There's 3 screws on the bottom. There's 3 screws on the base as well. So just snap it together should be like a Lego. If it doesn't snap, it's probably in the wrong side. And this part, you just want to route your cable through here, and then screw these 3 screws right here, again with the Phillips drive. And then you might want to route your cable through this thing to make it secure. There's 4 buttons here. There's a power, and then the oscillating button, and also the speed, the fan speed, and the timer. So there's 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, and so on. The fan also lights up on each selections. Now here we go, let's plug it in. Let's try this fan out, how well it does. Here we go, as easy as that. So you could see here, I have a demo. Shows the light, you turn it on. There's a power button. And it shows how the speed of the fan right here. When you click this, it'll move, it'll be faster. Pretty basic stuff. And then there's the oscillating button, so it'll move side to side. And then what we have on the next one is the timer. So after 1 hour, it'll turn off, or if you want it more, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, it'll turn off. That's up to you. But that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share this to your friends. See you in the next one. Peace.
1, 2, 3.
Whatever makes it harder, I guess.